Stop overpaying for AI, seriously. If you're using the brand new free version of ChatGPT 5.1 and you're getting boring, generic results, you are leaving money on the table. Everyone thinks they need the paid GPT-5 subscription to be a power user, but that's just not true. You just need the right questions to unlock the new model's full power. I run a successful faceless ad channel, and I use these exact methods to create high-quality scripts, detailed content outlines, and viral video ideas all the time with the free version. Today, I'm giving you 5 powerful, secret prompt formulas. These are the advanced prompt engineering hacks that will turn your free GPT 5.1 into a powerhouse. Alright, let's dive into the core of free chat mastery. Secret number 1 is all about the persona prompt. The biggest mistake people make is asking chat generic questions. When you do that, you get generic answers, but the free version becomes powerful when you force it to become a specific expert. The formula is simple: act as a specific role and task. For example, instead of asking, "Give me advice on starting a YouTube channel," you act as a 10-year veteran YouTube channel strategist and create a 5-step growth plan for a faceless ad channel. Notice how the response is structured, deep, and actionable. It's thinking like an expert, not just a language model. This one prompt alone is worth the watch. Pro tip: the more specific the role, the better the output. Moving to secret number 2, the contextual setup. Context is king. The free chat only knows what you tell it in the current thread. To get paid level results, you need to set the scene. Before you ask the main question, give it the background information and your goal. This ensures the output is tailored exactly to your needs. Let's say you're writing a script. First, you tell it, "This is a YouTube script section for Gen Z about the dangers of deepfakes." The tone must be urgent and humorous. The goal is to drive engagement in the comments. Look at the results. The free model uses slang and an urgent tone because we told it the context. Without the setup, the lines would be boring and academic. Use this to maintain consistency across long pieces of content. Secret 3. The structured format rule. This is essential for content creators who need clean, organized data immediately. Don't let chat decide how to organize the output. You enforce the structure. This is perfect for pulling data, creating tables, or generating markdown lists for social media. For our YouTube channel, we need video ideas. We command to generate 10 viral video ideas for a faceless AI channel. Provide the output as a markdown table with 3 columns: idea, title, viral hook, and target audience. See how easy it is to copy-paste this straight into your project management sheet. No reformatting needed. You can even ask it to format the output as SYN if you're a coder, or a bulleted list for a quick voiceover script. This saves you hours of cleanup time and makes the free version an incredible organizational assistant. Secret number 4 is the constraint hack. The free version tends to be verbose. Constraints force it to be concise and high impact. You are telling the model exactly what to include and, crucially, what to exclude. This is great for titles, descriptions, and tweets where character limits matter. Let's try to generate a catchy video description. We tell it, "Write a video description about the future of AI art." It must be exactly 150 words. Use an inspiring tone. And do not use the word revolutionary. Look at that, a perfect 150-word description, forcing chat to choose its words carefully. You can also constrain the reading level, forcing it to use simple or highly technical language. This hack ensures every word counts, making your content stronger, punchier, and far more professional than standard free output. Finally, secret number 5, the chain of thought method. This is the secret weapon for accuracy and complex tasks, getting you closer to GPT-4's logical reasoning. When you ask chat to think step by step before answering, you force it to check its logic. This is critical for coding, calculations, and analyzing complex data. Let's ask a complex question. Analyze the recent market trends for AI chip stocks. Before giving the final investment opinion, first outline your thought process step by step, including 3 key data points you considered. See the difference? The free model is now showing its work. If there's a logical flaw, you can spot it immediately in the thought process, or even ask it to refine that specific step. This is how you audit and leverage the free model for reliability. By implementing these 5 secrets, you are no longer a basic user. You are a chat pro without ever touching the upgrade button. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 secrets are you going to implement first? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you save time and money, and especially if you're running a faceless channel like mine, do me a huge favor, hit that like button to help the algorithm. And subscribe so you don't miss the next AI deep dive. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.